Dancehall artist Tommy Lee was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital after it's alleged that he was badly injured by one of the members of the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in Kingston.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. If it's the first time checking out one of these videos, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, depending on which platform you're watching on. Now, it is reported that dancehall artist Tommy Lee was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital. Jano. Terrible news. I first learned about this story on Dear Dream when someone, I guess it was one of the prisoners, I'm not sure, but they sent in this image which was quite blurry. You couldn't really see nothing. You couldn't point out Tommy Lee and say that's Tommy Lee or anything like that. Then about an hour or 30 minutes later, I saw in the Jamaica Star this article. I may say, yo, damn, sound like a true. Then we see the Jamaica Gleaner post it. So I am following up on this story. Even though it's confirmed, we still don't get the exact details. So make sure you like, subscribe, share. You see me? Share this with a friend and stuff like that. Boy, Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee was sentenced to 2 years in prison last. He was locked up since December of 2020, and he was sentenced about last year. And please comment in the comment section if I'm wrong. I'm just gathering information off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure I'm right still. The Uncle Demon DJ got through a lot with the law, and this is not the first time while he was behind bars, you know, something happened to him. Normally not physical though, but we've seen leaked photograph of Tommy Lee wearing only his underpants, where the correctional officers, police officers, and, you know, general members of the public made a mockery of him. And we said, Jaja, them always try do the artist, them, you know, them thing there and stuff like that. But I hope Tommy Lee is okay and we can forward back on the same platform later on and say everything is good with Tommy Lee. Probably it's just a bruise here and there, and hopefully it's not like a stab, a concussion, or nothing like that. Here's a clip of when he arrived at the Kingston Public Hospital. It's a boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, comment in the comment section, and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's a boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way or any other way, the wrong way, I'm gone.